In this video, I'll guide you through how to share an Overleaf project. Whether you're working with a team on a research paper, a group assignment, or just need someone to review your work, sharing your Overleaf project is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and see how you can do this efficiently. First, you need to have your project open in Overleaf. Once you are in the project, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share, conveniently located next to the green Recompile button. Go ahead and click that Share button. This step is your gateway to inviting collaborators or sharing your work with others. Once you've clicked the Share button, a box labeled Share with your collaborators will appear on your screen. In this box, you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite to your project. If you're inviting multiple people, you'll need to enter each email address one at a time. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to ensure specific people have access to your work. After entering the email address, it's time to decide what level of access they should have. You'll find a drop-down menu to help you with this decision. If you choose Can Edit, your collaborators will have the ability to change both the code and the text in your project. This is ideal if you're working closely with someone who needs to make direct contributions. On the other hand, if you select Read Only, they will be able to view the project and download the PDF, but they won't be able to make any changes. This option is perfect for peer reviews or sharing your progress with advisors who don't need to edit the content. Alternatively, if you prefer to share your project more broadly, without specifying individual email addresses, you can turn on link sharing. This feature is particularly useful if you want to share your project with a larger audience or if you don't have all the email addresses at hand. When you enable link sharing, Overleaf will instantly generate two different links. The first is an edit link. Anyone who clicks on this link will have the capability to edit your code. It's essential to share this link only with those you trust to make changes to your project. The second link is a view-only link. This link allows anyone who clicks on it to view the project, see the preview, and even click Copy Project to clone a version to their own Overleaf dashboard. However, they won't be able to alter your master file. This is a great way to share your work without worrying about unauthorized changes. Once you've decided which link suits your needs, you'll need to copy it. You can then paste this link into any communication platform you prefer, be it Slack, Discord, email, or even your school's portal. This versatility ensures you can reach your collaborators through the most convenient channel for them. And there you have it, a simple guide to sharing your Overleaf project. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate with others, ensuring everyone has the access they need, whether it's to contribute edits or simply to review your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your collaborative projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy collaborating!